Go.
Christy, it's an unusual case of animal torture involving 3 farm animals. 22-year-old Austin and 20-year-old Aiden Jimerson are both arrested on Saturday. The Erie County Sheriff's Office say these two are responsible for the deaths of 2 chickens and a duck. Deputies say on the day after Christmas, they responded to a report of 2 people walking down the road carrying dead chickens. The very next morning, they responded to a farm on Hem Street Road for a robbery after the owner found severed chicken head on the floor. Local animal experts say abuse toward farm animals isn't quite as unusual as you would think.
The SPCA serving Erie County probably receives about 100 or more complaints on farm animal cruelty a year. I think what really needs to be considered here is the fact that these animals were killed in what reportedly was a vicious manner. And when we're dealing with that level of violence, it doesn't matter if we're dealing with a domestic animal, a farm animal.
Now, I spoke with the owner of the farm today. He says they have a small family operation, and he's glad the incident has come to an end. The sheriff's office says they don't know if both Aiden and Austin are related, but the pair have been charged with burglary, criminal mischief, torturing an animal, and petty larceny. At last check, they were at the Erie County Holding Center waiting for their arraignment. In the newsroom, Angelica Morrison, News 4.
All right, let's take a live look over downtown Buffalo tonight and how quickly the sun sets and it gets dark out there.